Let's solve one previous question of set theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2016 set 2 question number 26. A binary relation R on n cross n is defined as follow. A, B, R, C, D if A is less than equals to C or B is less than equals to D. Consider the following propositions. P, R is reflexive, Q, R is transitive. Which one of the following statement is true? And 4 options are given. So we need to check whether this relation is reflexive or symmetric. It will be a relation if A less than equals to C or B less than equals to D. First check reflexive. Reflexive means AB related to AB. A equals to A, B equals to B, hence it is true. Here it is given less than equals to, means it can be either less than or equals to. Here both are equal, it's fine. So the relation is reflexive. Next we will check whether the relation is transitive. For transitive, if AB related to CD, CD related to DE, then AB must be related to DE. So let's take an example like 2, 4, 5, 3. In case of 2, 4, 5, 3, 2 is less than 5, 4 is not. As here it's given or either A less than equals to C or B less than equals to D. Here 2 is less than 5. So it is in relation. Now 5, 3, 1, 3. 3 is equals to 3. Hence it is in relation. Now 2, 4, 1, 3. Is 2 less than equals to 1? No. Is 4 less than equals to 3? No. This can't be present in relation as A is not less than equals to C or B is not less than equals to D. These two can be present but this is not. Hence the relation is not transitive. So we found the relation is reflexive but not transitive. Means P is true, Q is false. It's present in option B, P is true and Q is false. I already discussed reflexive and transitive relation during lecture. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.